All right, thanks for giving this part 2 a try. The main thing is just it is a little trickier to find the base and the height sometimes. So let's look at this one. If I have a right angle here, okay, well, that tells me I can use this as the height and this is the base, but I don't know how long this bottom part actually is. I know that this is 15. I know that this part is 6, and this whole thing is 20. So let's look at this bottom part. So if I know this whole thing is 20, and this part is 6, what part is going to be left over? Well, I can do 20 minus 6, and that tells me that this part on the triangle is 14. So my base is 14. My height is still 15, because these two lines still make a right angle, here and here. And then I just need to multiply those and divide by 2. So let's see, 14 times 15 divided by 2, 105. 105 inches squared. All right? There's lots of different ways it can look. It's not always going to be the same each time. Sort of like a puzzle, figuring out, okay, what do I know? What can I figure out? So this one here, we know it tells us that A, B, C, D, so here, 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 and then closed, is a square. The sides are 10. And then it also tells me BE equals EC. So let's get rid of that just so it's not in my way. So it's telling me this here equals this here. So I could put like a dash to mark that somehow. So, okay, if I know that side is 10 and I know those are equal, what do they both have to be? Well, they both have to be 5. So I can say, okay, this is 5. Let's use that as the base of my triangle. Well, how tall is my triangle? I know these are right angles because it's a square, so my height is 10. So I can do 5 times 10, which equals 50, divided by 2 gives me 25 as the area of my triangle, centimeters squared. Okay? So again, if I move these pieces around, I would see that, okay, if I had a rectangle that was 5 by 10, that triangle would take up half of it. Again, a puzzle. I have to see what I know, see what I can figure out. All right. We have these funny stair steppies, and then we don't know the base and we don't know the height. Well, let's say, okay, I see these dashes here. That tells me those are all 14, right? This is going to be 14. This is going to be 14. This is going to be 14. So I can figure out how long the sides I don't know are by using some opposite sort of logic. I know from here to here is 18. From here to here is also 18. I switch colors so I can show you what I'm seeing here. So I know, okay, if here to here is 14, I know here to here is going to be 14. And then if here to here is 14, I know here to here is going to be 14. And then I also know if here to here is 14, this is going to be 14, and this is also going to be 14. So now I have a right angle here, so I know I can use this as my base and that is my height. I can figure out what they are, and then I can figure out the area. So if I do 18 plus 14 plus 14, that gives me 46. So I know my triangle has a base of 46 and a height of 46. So I can do 46 times 46, which gets me times 46 equals, ooh, big number, divided by 2, 1,058. Let's see, we got centimeters, so centimeters squared. And if that felt too big, I could always clear it and try again just to make sure I didn't type anything in wrong. Nope, typed it in right. Not a bad idea to check, because I know 40 times 40 would be 1,600, so it's definitely in the right realm of numbers. Give the worksheet a try the best you can in the exit slip. You don't have to get at least 4, but it's a good idea to see some of these more challenging problems so that you can sort of have an idea of what they might look like. All right, let me know if you need help. Good luck.